Hello and welcome to Curry TV. Today we are going to be roasting raw hazelnut kernels. How many of you tried hazelnuts before? If not, please do try them out. It's very healthy for you. So this is the raw hazelnut kernels. We're going to roast them in our oven, and then we're going to deshell them, skin them, and get it into our final product as this. It's really good for you. I mean, good for your health, good for your skin, eye, everything. So let's see how to roast our hazelnuts. First and foremost, we have to preheat our oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Slow baking or slow roasting the hazelnuts will give you the good white color and not scorch the middle of it. While our oven is preheating, let's take a cookie sheet, anyone, no problem, and just place them. Very important, do not overcrowd them. That's good, it looks really good. Once our oven is preheated to 275, we're going to keep them in there and roast for 35 to 40 minutes. Now you could keep it longer, which means your hazelnuts are going to become more darker. The skin, not all hazelnut skins will come off. There are varieties that doesn't peel all of it off. So the skin is good for you, actually, full of nutrition. So it's okay if you get a bit of skin here and there, but overall we're looking for nice white hazelnuts. Okay, our oven is preheated. Let's put these babies in. Set a timer for 35 minutes. Okay, so this is the raw kernels. Can you see the different colors? So this is the raw one and this is the roasted one. So this is just off the oven. So what we are going to do is keep this one to the side and start the next process, which is you could use a nutcracker like so. This you can be used for various nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, pecans, everything, but you can't use it for pistachios because the hole in the middle is too small for this. It will just come out. So I prefer to use the old traditional method, which is our mortar and pestle. So why I do that is after it's come out of the oven, let it sit on your countertop for about 5 to 10 minutes so it's cooled down, and then take a few into your mortar and pestle and start cracking. This is a very good feeling. It's like an ASMR, like, you know, a massage to our brain. And they come out almost peeled. So just take them, and if there is some vigorous skin that doesn't want to come out, they're being naughty, just use an old dish towel or a kitchen towel and just rub vigorously on your towel and you'll get the final product. So let's do the rest just like so. So I just did a set or two, and this is how it comes onto the kitchen towel, and you could use your bare hands or just rub the nuts like so. It'll help peel off the skin and just blow them away, and you get somewhat finished product. In case if you don't have any of these tools, say a mortar and pestle or this nut cracking tool, you could use a hammer. Simple as that. I'm sure you have that at home, right? Okay, so let's get this whole thing done and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, so we just finished our hazelnuts. We roasted them, we deshelled them, we skinned them. So this is how they all come out, and you can store this in an airtight container and make it available for you. You could add this in your oats, you can have it in your bread, pastries, whatever that you are heart desire, or you want to have an interesting recipe, you gotta come back and check us out. Till we see you guys next time, thanks, bye-bye.